Did you know that one phone call brought down the biggest financial crime ring in Wall Street history? In the 1980s, Ivan Boesky was the king of insider trading. He built a $200 million empire using corporate spies and corrupt bankers to steal secret information about company mergers. Boesky partnered with junk bond king Michael Milken. They created an elaborate system of coded phone calls and briefcase cash drops. When a merger was about to be announced, Boesky would buy massive amounts of stock before the news went public. The stock price would soar, and he'd make millions overnight. Their network included executives, lawyers, and investment bankers who sold company secrets for cash. For years, they manipulated the market with inside information, while regular investors had no clue. But the SEC was watching. When they finally caught Boesky, he made a deal. He wore a wire and recorded his criminal partners to save himself. His testimony had destroyed Drexel Burnham Lambert and sent dozens of Wall Street executives to prison. The greed is good era was over, and securities laws were changed forever.